morning. My name is Induja Kanaganaidu and this is my teammate.
My name is Yani Dayalan.
We are from Sjkt Subramaniya Barathee and this is our project
River Cleaning Robot.
River pollution is an escalating environmental concern that poses significant threat to ecosystem and human well-being. So, we have made a solution which is the river cleaning robot. Nowadays, river cleaning methods are costly, time-consuming and ineffective.
The solution for this problem is cost effectiveness, enhanced efficiency and pollution removal. The difficulty that we face while doing this project is the battery finishes very fast and we got the idea, but then it was very hard to find the components for this project. Now, we would like to demonstrate you guys how our robot works.
When we press the front arrow, the robot moves front. When we press the back arrow, it moves back. Same goes to the right and left. To stop the robot, you press the X. And to scoop the rubbish, you press the circle. Now let me catch one of the rubbish. The ways to develop our robot in the future is we are going to make the remote control robot autonomous and we are also going to make the robot big so that it can also clean the debris and pollutants in oceans. Thank you.